So, Peter, we're going to go to Tooradin first, I think.
Okay.
And then do that low-level beach pass along Cowes Beach.
Yep, all right.
Looks like he's going a bit slow, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Rabin Tower, Cessna 172, Lima Sierra Papa, ready 17 left for Tooradin.
Lima Sierra Papa, 17 left, line up.
Line up, 17 left, Lima Sierra Papa. Not sure whether I need to say the 17 left back, but...
if he says it, you say it.
Right.
And I believe you do. And I believe you do have to say it.
Lima Sierra Papa, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Lima Sierra Papa. Okay, feet off the brakes. Full power. Airspeed's alive. Oil temperatures and pressures in the green. 40, 50, 60, and she wants to go, so she can.
Rabin Tower, this is Helicopter Papa Hotel Alpha, southern pad.
So we've got a little bit coming in from the left.
Oscar.
Hotel Alpha, southern pad.
A little bit of wind.
Make left turn.
Clear for takeoff, make left turn, Papa Hotel Alpha. Julian India Oscar downwind for full stop.
Julian India Oscar, 17 left, or 17 right you can have, but clear to land.
Roger, we'll take 17 right. Julian India.
400 feet, landing light off.
Roger, 17 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, Julian Oscar, 17 right.
500. Nobody ahead. Nobody right. Nobody left.
I don't know, wait till after he lands before I say I taught him to land.
Well, we've had a bit of a mixture.
Nah, mate, this is going to be gold, this one.
Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa joining downwind runway 22, Tooradin. Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa turning final runway 22, Tooradin. 600. 70. $70. $65. That looks like a taxiway.
Yep, certainly does.
Laps up. Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, clear of all runways, Tooradin.
Yeah, I taught him to land.
We're alive, mate, that's all that counts.
Hey, we can walk away.